So now we are going to watch a video and identify the different types of caudal fins and paired fins, and identify if they are for undulating or oscillating. Those rays are using undulating. This is a spotted pufferfish, and it is using oscillation through the balaeiformes of the medium paired fins. This porcupine fish is undulating using its dodontiforme fins. This allows for maneuverability. These cardinal fish are undulatory, and they are dodontiformes, and this allows for good maneuverability. These fish have a subcarniforme caudal fin, and that is a little bit of maneuverability and a little bit of acceleration. This fish has oscillatory paired fins and is a balaeiform. That allows for maneuverability. It also has a subcaragiform caudal fin. This gray angelfish has oscillatory medium fins and has a balaeiform type of fin. And this filefish is using its paired fins for oscillation, and it is a balaeiform. It also has a caudal fin for maneuverability. These razorfish have undulatory paired fins and they are dodontiforms, and this allows for maneuverability. This filefish has the oscillatory paired fins, and they are balaeiforms. As you can see up close, this is what oscillation looks like. Our next video will show us some swimming tuna to show us more of the faster swimming fish. As you can see, they have a very thetiform tail. This allows for fast cruising. We're going to also look at a top view of the feeding so we can get another look at the organism. And now we're going to go and we're going to look at how fast they swim to see how well this cruising tail works. Now we're going to talk about different types of technology that are used for tracking fish migration. There are different things such as visual, sonar, radar, and snapshot tracking. These can be done for hours to up to a day and can be done up to 10 kilometers. You can do this by going out on a boat or other type of vessel and tracking the organism and watching it. People often take photos, seen here, and can identify the organisms based on fins or other identifiable features. You can see how this fin has these edges here. They would often look at these notches and be able to tell which individual this is. Next, we're going to talk about radio telemetry, which is a type of acoustic telemetry that has an antenna and a receiver. This type of tracking can be last up to 100 kilometers and up to a year. Another type of tracking is acoustic tagging, which transmits unique acoustic signals to a hydrophone receiver that decodes the transmission and gives it a time, date, and stamp to allow us to view it. Next, we're going to talk about the satellite. The satellite is used from far away to look at where these organisms are traveling to using tags and other types of things. Moving on, we're going to watch an acoustic tagging video.
The cat customers in honor of Catherine Lee Bates. We're taking a stroll at the Sebastian Inlet Park, about 140 miles north of Miami. Researchers tagged 2,300-pound great white shark all the way up in Cape Cod, Massachusetts back in August. They spent about 15 minutes with her. They did an ultrasound. They measured her. They even got a blood sample. And they put this special tracking device so they can keep tabs on her, not just for right now, but also for the next 5 years. So far, this shark has traveled more than 3,600 miles. And the reason they're doing this is because they're trying to unravel the mystery behind the great white shark in the Atlantic Ocean. They want to figure out where and when these sharks are breeding and also where their nurseries are located so they can protect these areas. Now, the cool thing about all of this for you and I is that we can actually keep tabs on this research in real time, and we're all waiting to see where Catherine will head next.